What's up guys, good to see you back. So today we'll be going over some of our previous tutorials, seeing as over time our software has changed to give you an even better experience. And today's topic would be how to switch users. So let's just dive right in. Firstly, you would log into the point of sale using your email and pre-assigned password. You would select your device type, which in this case would be independent, and I would be signing into my last tenant. The location would be default. This is just for this particular tenant. Once you've signed in, you would then have to enter your passcode, which would give you access to the TallOrder's point of sale dashboard or main menu as we see over here. So there are two ways to switch users. One would be to go up to this little icon over here and click on that, or we could navigate to the drop down list and go to settings, and from settings click on switch user. Either way, it would be doing the exact same thing. So once you clicked on switch user, you would be again prompted to enter your passcode. Remember, each person using this point of sale has a unique passcode which acts as their identifier when switching users. So all you have to do is type in that particular user's passcode and you would be logged in. If you would like to switch the user once again, you would just type in the particular passcode of that particular user. And it's as easy as that. So if you guys have any further questions or queries, don't hesitate to drop a comment below and we'll be sure to get back to you. From me, Jalil, till next week, have a great day.